can see from Xiaomi Mi, better than any TV stick available at the moment. This is 4K version. Price could be 50 to 60 euro or dollar, depends what you are. The best part of this TV box or TV stick, you have Netflix in this, Prime Video, YouTube Kids, Google Play. In many TV box you don't have Google Play. In smart TV you don't have exactly Google Play. So this can make your smart TV more smarter in this case, and old TV, smart TV. Here we go, I'm gonna using my knife. It's done, guys. So let's take this off from here. One by one I'm taking out. First thing, okay, this is a remote. In this case you can see Netflix, Amazon Prime, a power button in this case as well. Okay, it's coming out finally as this, and it is stopping here all the places. Okay, here we go, all the things we can see here. HDMI to HDMI, you can see here. So here you connect your HDMI TV connector. Here this will go to the TV. So HDMI to HDMI, I don't know what is the purpose of this one, big one, to extend or something, whatever, good to have. A power cable, this is USB to USB micro, if I'm not wrong. You connect with your TV, or you can connect with power adapter or power brick. Here you can see here, goes here directly, lovely. And the main stuff and the TV stick, here you see Xiaomi. Here is a plastic cover with the serial number or the information. You see HDMI here, this one, it will go to your TV. I'm taking this off from here, guys. Here you see this part is shiny more. So what you have to do, this should be here as this, and it will go to your TV. So this is the way you can connect. Take this off to see the size of the cable in this. So this will go inside your TV, connect. You can see how the ports are there. So I connect with one of the HDMI. Okay, after connecting to HDMI, this is USB. You have to connect to USB here in your TV. Here we go. If you don't have USB, then you have to connect with the power adapter in this case. As you see now, I have here some information. A new device is connected. It says start pairing, and some process automatically detected to this smart TV. This is Samsung 75-inch smart TV. So we'll continue the procedure. It's detected. You have to hold these two buttons and release as it says. Now we have to follow the language instruction here. English, I hit as this remote here. So now you have to put your region. I put, let's see where I am, in Spain. I hit next button. Quick setup with your Android phone or skip. I can do that with my Android phone, but I want to do manually. I hit skip. We have to put our internet. In this case, I put here this one. I have to put password, and I will be back. It's connecting with my internet. Let's see. Now you have to sign into your Google account. I will put my Google account and password. I'll be back. You have to hit now accept button. Okay, install following app. Xiaomi Express VPN and other things. Install the following app if you want to do. If you don't want, it's on you. So I hit continue. Perfect. Cast your TV. So you can cast your TV as well in this case. Next button. It's loading. Hit OK in control. agree with the agreements. System uploads, system update, all is fine, everything is good here. So free Netflix trial, I hit this one. Here we go. So this is the way you can set up your Xiaomi TV stick to your smart TV or to any TV. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.